Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. So today I want to talk about Now Lifestyle. So Now Lifestyle is a program I've been in for a couple of years now. They are a health and wellness program and a digital marketing company. It's kind of hard to phrase that, but basically it's a company that's owned by Joel Therien. He is a nutritionist and an internet marketer. So what he has done is he's fused his two big passions with it, which is health and fitness and email marketing, and he put it into one program. So what he does is he has an autoresponder, he has different software products, and then he also has a place where people can learn how to work out, different supplements, how to do 7-minute workout from home. But the point is that I want to show you his autoresponder. The reason why is because it is a really, really good deal. It is only well, if you just wanted the autoresponder by itself from his company that's called SendShark, it's only $25 a month. And that is for 50,000 subscribers. Now, if you want to do what I did and join Now Lifestyle and be a part of the entire company, they've actually helped me a lot. If you would have seen me a couple of years ago, I was a lot heavier than I was now. Like when I met Joel, which was October of 2018, probably about 230 pounds back then. And now I'm 187, so I'm down 37 pounds. But I didn't start dropping weight right away. So I just want to make that clear. I met him back then, but my actual weight loss journey didn't start until a year later. And I'm going to give you a little bit of history about myself too before I get into the screen share and show you the program and everything. But yeah, earlier, let's see, I guess that was middle of 2019, maybe end of summer. I went to my doctor and we did a stress test on my heart. And he realized that I'm in pretty bad shape. And he's like, there's a lot of things wrong here. He's like, you're borderline diabetic and you're going to have to be on medication if you don't take care of yourself soon. He said, your stress test, you did okay, but there's signs that, you only went about 6 minutes. As you go on the stress test, the treadmill goes faster and faster, incline. Basically, it's trying to get your heart rate to 180 beats. And once that happens, then you can tell the technician to go ahead and stop or whatever. So anyways, I told Joel what happened and everything. And he reiterated what he had told me before. He's like, there's no such thing as pre-diabetic. Either you are or you're not. And if you're not, we can do something about it. But the more you keep putting it off, nothing is going to happen. So, and your situation is going to get worse. So I finally decided, hey, I'm going to do this. I actually bought supplements from him a year ago when I went to go see him. I bought protein shakes and vitamins, energy supplements, and I just left them there in the bag. Literally, I left them in the bag for a year and didn't do anything. Finally decided to start taking the supplements, doing his exercises, joined a local gym for just 6 weeks. They had a 6-week kickboxing challenge. So I joined that challenge, and in that 6 weeks, I lost 12 pounds. And that's when Joel had released his new supplement, LipoX Plus, which helps you burn fat, suppress your hunger, take away your craving for sugar. It basically cleans out your system. It's all natural. If you go on my Facebook page, I've written a lot about it. I don't want to get too into it here because it's going to take a long time to explain it all. The point being is October 4th is when I made that decision to take care of my health. And October, November, December, yeah, January 4th. On January 4th, 90 or so days later, 3 months later, I had lost exactly 30 pounds. I'd lost 10 pounds a month. Could I have lost more? Yes. I wasn't trying to starve myself or anything. I kept a regular diet. I just eliminated sodas and sugars and everything. And the point is, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm such a believer in the company. It's one thing to have digital marketing products, but obviously we don't have the type of loyalty to one when another one comes out, right? I have loyalty to this company because they have a great owner, and I've been able to take care of my health, and they have great marketing products. So that's what I want to get into now. So let me go ahead and share the screen. Sorry, I just had to give a little bit of background so it doesn't look like I'm just pitching you on something. There's a reason I'm pitching you on something, is because it's made a difference in my life. So let me just close this window. All right, so Now Lifestyle, this is my login. So if you log in here, let's see what we got. All right, so when you log in, sometimes they'll have different type of advertisements. So this is about SendShark and a $99 upgrade. Okay, well, I already have it. So, okay. So yeah, if you wanted, let's just say that you're getting close to 50,000 subscribers, because for the $49.99 a month or $25 on SendShark, whatever you pick, you get 50,000 subscribers, right? The reason Now Lifestyle is a little more expensive is because you get all the fitness stuff with it. You have other ways you can make money too. And there's, there's like a binary and everything. I don't know, SendShark might have the binary too, so I'll have to look into that. But anyways, we'll just go ahead and press no there for now, right? New updates. All right, so that's Joel. And there's a video here to teach things. And this is a brand new redesigned platform. They had just recently done some renovations. This is actually my first time in since the renovations that they did the other day. So if you go to email autoresponder, so I got my 1,500 subscribers in here, and then you can create any list. So this is the thing. You don't have to just promote his products. This is an autoresponder. It's a landing page builder. You can build a landing page for any other business you're doing or any other offer. If you're doing like CPA marketing and you have a list for like home mortgages, or you have a list for baby products or whatever, you can create those lists and even create those pages in here, right? So the only thing is you have to use that autoresponder. There's not integration with a third-party autoresponder. This is your autoresponder, but you can build lists in whatever you want. So that's really cool. Like I said, there's a landing page builder here, right? So I will do more tutorials on this so I can show you, how to build a landing page, how to set up a campaign. Right now, this is just a quick overview. So for some of you that have had trouble keeping your autoresponder up with Aweber or GetResponse or any of the others, or it's just a money thing. It's like, hey, once I had so many subscribers, my bill went to $100, $200 a month. You won't have that problem here. $49 a month, up to 50,000 subscribers. Once you get to 50,000, like you said, he'll I'm sorry, he'll have a promotion like that. It's like, hey, how would you like to have 10,000 more subscribers for a one-time fee of $99? Now you're up to 60,000 subscribers. But my thing is, don't worry about that until you get to 50,000. Typically, if you clean your list and maintain it, remove all the dead emails, the people that are not opening and stuff, your list shouldn't get that high anyways. Remember, it's not about the amount of people you have on your list. It's about the quality of the people on your list. I know people that have very small lists that make a lot of money. I know people with very large lists that don't make any money because their list is unengaged and probably a lot of dead emails. All right, so like this section right here, if you were in SendShark, you would get this section right here with the email and the autoresponder. When you're in Now Lifestyle, you'll get these sections too, like the health and wellness. So like you can go over here and Now Body. You can, your exercise videos are here. So Joel is really big on, when you're just getting started working, if you're scared to go to the gym and all that, don't worry about it. You could do exercises from home. So he has the 7-minute workout. A lot of these things, all you need is resistance bands. You can buy them on Amazon. You can buy them from Joel. The ones from Joel are really high quality. And you could just do your workouts from home. So if you just click like there, you can see, you can have, if you have like a dumbbell or you just have these things, there's different exercises. Like for this one right here, the rows with bands, I just go in the backyard and on the fence, we have these steel poles in the middle of every so many pieces of fence. I just put it on there and I just do that. I could use a tree too, but I don't want the tree to get damaged. So I just use the steel pipe. And if you have a couple of dumbbells, you can go buy them very cheaply at Walmart. You can do that. So, and the reason why I'm telling you guys all this is because I'm going to release a group here soon on people that live a sedentary lifestyle, especially those that are digital marketers that sit at the computer all day. I actually have a standing desk out there in the front, but when I'm over here in the office, then, I have my whiteboard, I have my desk, but this is actually very bad. Sitting like this for hours on end is horrible for you. So I try as much as I can to go use the desk out in the front because it's a standing desk. And eventually what I'm going to do is buy that treadmill piece that goes underneath. So while I'm walking, while I'm on a webinar, or, while I'm working, I should say, or on a webinar, I could just be walking and getting my exercise in. I get my 10,000 steps in a day. I think today was day number 123 in a row that I've done 10,000 steps. So I know that I hope this video is not getting a little confusing. Obviously, the point is I wanted to show you that there's an autoresponder that's very inexpensive, but I wanted to show you the bonuses and everything that you can get out of this. So that's going to be my vision kind of going forward, is to help entrepreneurs, at-home workers, or even employees that work from home. I want to help them live a better lifestyle where they're just not sitting at the computer all day, because literally it's just eating away at your life. So if you can do a lot of these exercises and maybe go for a walk, there's a lot you could do just from home to live a much healthier lifestyle. But anyway, so this is NowLifestyle and this is SendShark, okay? So this is the capture page for SendShark. So this is it. If you didn't want, it's like, hey, Nick, I don't really want the NowLifestyle part. I'm okay fitness-wise. It's not that important to me, or I have my own gym and everything. I just want the autoresponder. No problem. $25 a month. Same thing, 50,000 subscribers. All right, so you can get that. And if you're like, hey, Nick, I would actually like to be in your Facebook group and learn about, how you were able to lose weight and, how the supplements help you, the exercises and stuff, then NowLifestyle would be better for you. And like I said, it's $49 a month. If you join NowLifestyle and eventually you're like, hey, I just want the autoresponder, they can fix up your account and just set it back to the $25 a month. There's a lot of things they can do. Amazing customer service. The staff is really excellent. They have an office here. They have an office in India, and they have an office in Ukraine. So, and the reason why they do that is they want overlaps. They want to make sure 24-hour customer service. Anytime that you have a problem, you just submit a ticket. If you have a problem with your capture page, your emails, or whatever, you submit a ticket, they'll get back to you relatively quick, and they'll work out that answer for you. So like I said, just an amazing company, and it's led by an amazing leader. And it's cool to have somebody like him that is into fitness and into digital marketing. So it works out so well, because so many digital marketers like myself live this lifestyle where you're just sitting at the computer or trying to work from your bed, and it's just so bad for you. So when you see a millionaire digital marketer like him that spends so much time on his health on top of building his business, it really doesn't leave you with too many excuses. It's like, okay, I have to make time for my health and everything. So anyways, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. I will put my links below. So there'll be 3 links. There'll be one to NowLifestyle, that's the $49 a month. And then there'll be one to SendShark. If you just want the autoresponder, it's $25 a month. And if you want that supplement that I'm on, that natural supplement that's helped me with my weight loss, that is $49 a month, or they have different packages if you want to buy more. Like I said, add me on Facebook so you can go read my stories about how that has transformed my life. I'm actually in the process of writing a book as well on, the power of transformation, not just for health, but just in everything. Because once you take care of your health, you'll find that it will inspire you to do so many other things. Your business will get better. Your friendships will get better. Your relationships will get better just by taking a little bit of initiative in your health. And let me tell you, I am not a gym junkie. I don't like the gym. I would rather go to the library than the gym. And I don't even know where the library is. So that tells you about the gym. The only time I go to the gym is if it's a rainy day, the weather's bad, whatever the case may be, and I need to go to the gym and just run on the treadmill for a little bit or walk, then I'll do that. But I'm actually in the process of thinking about maybe getting a treadmill at home too. Then I really don't have to go to the gym. I'm just not a gym person. I love this idea. I mean, this is Joel's private gym. So, I mean, I've been to his office in San Antonio. This is inside his office. So, in one side is the offices, the other side is the servers for all of his, because, he sells, if people need server space or they need to, hosting and stuff, he does that as well. So it's a really cool building. If you're ever in San Antonio, it's a cool place to stop by. Anyways, I have this other thing, NLS University. That's an upsell. So I have it because I kind of went all in on the business. But what it does is it allows you to sell his other products. So he has a course on email marketing mastery. If you sell that, 50% commission. If you want to be a personal trainer and go through his Now Body certification, you could do that. You could also sell that, and then you can get a 50% commission. And there's tier 2 commissions too. So if anybody you bring into the business sells it as well, you can get a little bit. I don't worry about tier 2 too much. Not for this. I'm just worried about, using the products and being able to sell some of the products. If you want to learn Instagram, same thing, 50% commission. An interview series with top 10 income earners, how to create a lead magnet. So just a bunch of products here that you can sell, video marketing. And he's always adding new things. So I hope that from the start to the end, you see that, oh, wow, this started off as an autoresponder. Then it's like this full-blown story about how this guy helped somebody lose weight. And then there's all these other products you can sell. There's so much. I could just talk about this for a while. But the bottom line is, if you're a digital marketer, obviously, and not just a digital marketer. I mean, if you're in business, realistically, you have to have a list. A list is very important to your business, right? That's how you can reach out to your audience. Now, remember, it's not, the money is not in the list. The money is in the follow-up. And over here, you know, you can do follow-ups. You can set up follow-ups for days. I think one of our, I want to say that one of our follow-ups is like 80 days long. It's ridiculous. And we send an email out for 80 straight days. So yeah, like I said, they had just recently changed this. So let me see if maybe it's under campaigns. FXPROI. Yeah, so see this one? I've sent 98,000 emails from this. I don't even know if these stats are correct because I've been kind of messing around with it. But the reason it's 98,000 is because it sends an email out every day. So if you have 80 emails that have went out to 1,500 people, I don't know, you do the math, it's quite up there, plus other emails that I've sent. So there's no limitation on this. You know, you can send as many emails as you want. You can pretty much have as many subscribers as you want. So pretty cool. I'm definitely going to look into using this more and making more tutorials for you guys so you can know how to use it. I am pretty close with the staff over there, so if I ever need them to explain something to me, they'll make me a video, then I can go ahead and make you all a video, or you know, if they don't mind, I can just upload the video to show you guys how everything works. So that is pretty much it. I always feel like I'm forgetting something. It's like as soon as I turn off the camera, it's like, oh man, I forgot to say that. But I think I pretty much got everything here. Like I said, I'll make more tutorials. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment area. Just let me know what your question is. Let me know where you're from. I like to engage with people. And, you know, there's other ways to reach me: Skype, Facebook, email. I get back to people relatively quick. Look through my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. There's so many videos on there. I talk about different programs where you can make money, talk about different tactics on how you can generate leads, different ways you can make money with like e-commerce, and you know, how to use different tools. So yeah, definitely just go through my videos, and I hope you enjoy it. And feel free to add me as a friend on Facebook. I love to create new friends. And like I said, if you want to be a part of my group for at-home workers with fitness and stuff, just let me know. I'm in the process of building a lot of things out right now, but that's going to be one of my goals, is to help people be able to do what I do. I wish I could show you a picture of what I used to look like. Maybe I can. Hang on tight here for a second. I know this video is going to run, but I just want to show people that you can lose weight without having to do a ton of crazy stuff. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. Can you see? Yeah, there you go. See, before and after. That is 230 something pounds. This is like 180 something pounds, and I still have a lot to go. And so I just wanted to show you, yeah. It's like, I know I still have a lot of work to do, but trust me, it was a lot worse. So, and honestly, that was probably one of the big reasons I didn't do YouTube videos for a long time. I was embarrassed with the way I looked on camera. Still not that comfortable, but I had to learn that, listen, if I'm going to help people out, if I'm going to earn money, if I'm going to create a business, I just got to get over my fears and get on the camera. So that's kind of what I've done. But it definitely helps when you lose weight. You do feel more motivated and stuff. So I just wanted to show you it's possible, and it's possible without having to have this really crazy diet or whatever. And I can get into that more. So if you reach out to me, I can tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to create an ebook on it and everything. Anyways, I've let this video run too long. I hope that you have learned a lot. Like I said, the links will be below, and I will talk to you soon. This is NowLifestyle from Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.